So after driving for about 10-15 minutes, I had to go to an appointment. I can notice the difference with the strut. It's pretty amazing. For a piece that's pretty inexpensive, it's just the labor that goes into play. I've been looking at the transmission shifting now. And basically it's a 6-speed like ZF transmission, and when you're almost at a roll but not fully stopped, the car will be in second gear, so it pretty much never goes to first gear unless you're fully stopped. And then which was a surprise, so it doesn't shift as much as I thought for the transmission as well. So just a little update, kind of going through the scanner on the transmission shifting. And currently we're going like 55 miles an hour and it's at 6th gear. So maybe they've figured out how transmissions work as well. But I'm trying to keep on topic. So I will throw this in the transmission one. Have a good day.